Dankjewel. Exciting stuff. I was online yesterday because I need a few bits and pieces, and I'm not really an online shopper. I'd really rather go to a shop and try things out, but sometimes it's just not possible. And because we're planning, yes, we're planning a 5-week road trip, I needed some things, and one of them was to replace the power pack. So I've got my parcel from Coolblue, and I'm going to open it now and see what's inside. You've seen how they delivered it. Coolblue, the most economical but also environmentally friendly to deliver their parcels. So they have those wonderful bikes. So here goes. Oh yes, I'm not going to show you straight away. My power pack. That one is standby, it's always handy. Okay. Aha, but what else did I buy? Here goes my long-awaited, yes, oh here we go, finally. Now I do walk a bit with the camera, or at least with my phone, and of course you see the bouncy. Now I have upgraded the phone, some iPhone 12, so there is a lot more stabilization in that, but it's still not perfect. And it won't be perfect with this either, because obviously when you walk, you're gonna bounce, but it will improve the quality of my filming. Now, the reason that I don't use an ordinary camera is I'm a bit arthritic here and there in my hands as well as in my neck and shoulders, and if I have a camera and I strap it around my neck, or I have more things to carry, or my handbag gets too heavy, I just have a problem with that. And so I've got to have my phone with me anyway, and that's why I invested in a new phone. I thought, well, it's got a better camera in it and it's as much as I can take. So now this too, I had a look at the weight of my new gizmo. Isn't that wonderful? Oh, I'm going to have to take the cellophane off now and have a really good look. So here you go. So now I've got the cellophane off. Smartphone stabilizer, it says on the box. Smartphone stabilizer, I hope. I mean, they can promise a lot, but they can't do everything, can they? Okay, so now I'll be fiddling with this sticker again. Okay. It's not there you go. I just got white and cream in the hands, but white. Might just come with it. Okay, oh gosh, very fold. I'm going to put this straight away. I guess I'll have to look at the instructions as I try and find out how this works. So the other thing, I am going to take a look at the so obviously I'm going to need to pull it around my wrist, and I've got a charge cable like one does. What's that cable? All the time's the same. Same subject, what's this? A riser pair for small phones. Oh, that's quite cool. It's my old page. And it's okay, so obviously I'll get it and take a roll. So I can actually put them between if I can use my phone for whatever reason, I can use this one. Okay. Up here's the try to read it. Yes. Okay, got it. And I'm tuning. We get all that everything. Okay. Yes, no. Oh, this is a pouch. Always handy. And off you go. And let's say a minute on which the phone will click. I found out why it was so hard to unfold, because of the magnet and this. So I've got it all sorted, and I've now downloaded the app. So now I'm going to check out the app and see what else I need to learn before I can actually use this thing. So, you know, it's good to learn new things all the time. Now, you young people, you seem to understand all this stuff with just by looking. I don't. I mean, I do, but not in the sense. I really have no idea now. I have watched the video a couple of times, and I can't remember how I do these settings. So now, oh, I'll have a go. I'll have a go. Yes, I'm having a play. I still haven't worked everything out, but I can see how this will help with some of my tricky filming bits. So I truly haven't worked everything out just yet, but I'm working on it. Ooh, look at that. Okay. What else do I want to do? I want to change. Not quite sure. Oh. Oh well, I can see I have a lot to learn, and I'm going to have fun trying. So bear with me with all the bits and pieces. So that was my unboxing session for now, and you'll notice yourself in the videos that I make whether or not I've managed to conquer all those things that I need to conquer. Bye for now.
1 week later.
I had a blast practicing, but some things are just not meant to be. But I can live with that. So I wish you all happy filming, and I'll see you again soon. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.